Hello everyone. In this short tutorial today, we are going to be learning how you can put watermark in your document using Microsoft Word. First, you go to Design, you go to Watermark, you click on it, you click on Custom Watermark. This will open a dialog box for you. You click on this picture, click on Select Picture. You have the option of selecting from online if you are on the net, or offline, that is from your computer. So I click offline. This will open my computer. Then I choose where I save the picture I want to use as a watermark. So I shall be using this very picture as my watermark. I click on it, click on Insert. It's in auto now. I click on this drop down. If I want to make any changes, I make changes. Let's say I say 100%. I click on Apply and then Close. So when we look here now, we can see that the watermark has been added to this very page. So now you can see that the picture has been inserted as a watermark in this very document. And you will notice that once I go to the next page and to the next, the watermark keep appearing. This is third page. The watermark will keep on appearing in all the pages. Then the second method of adding watermark to our document is to go to Insert tab, click on it, click on Shapes, select any shape you want to use. In this tutorial, I shall be using rectangle. I draw rectangle on the document. I click on the shape, click on Format Shape. This will open up here. I click on Fill, select Picture or Texture, click on File. This will take us to where I save the picture that I want to use as my watermark. I'm going to use this one for the second example. I click on it, click on Insert. The picture has been inserted. I center my picture. From the Format tab, I click on Shape Outline. I select No Outline. Then I come to Transparency. As I drag to the right, the picture will keep fading to the background of my document. Now if I click off, you will notice that the picture has turned to watermark on this document. So now we have seen the two methods of adding watermark to our document. When you look, you will notice the two watermarks we just inserted in our document. This is the first one that we use the Design tab to insert, and then the second one that we use the Insert tab to insert in our document. Hope you get some value from this short tutorial. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon so YouTube will notify you once I drop a new video. Do share this video with family and friends. Have a wonderful day.